Hello, and welcome back to my channel. It's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and I hope you have absolutely fabulous day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this super quick and elegant baptism card using circular box and card builder cutting die set from Card Making Magic, and also two cutting die sets from Tonic Studio. And literally that's everything you need to create your beautiful baptism card. I die cut all my elements from white card, 250 GSM, and also Centura Pearl cardstock from Crafter's Companion. It has such a beautiful shine and it works so beautifully with white, and I thought it would be perfect match for baptism card. Please let me know what do you think about this color combination, or maybe you have created your own christening card. What colors did you use? Please let me know. As usual, I've got double-sided tape on the back of my panels, and I use my liquid glue, magic glue, the one and only, and I'm putting it on my card just to make sure everything is adhered properly and it won't move. And even then, you've got time to maneuver all those elements. Now I'm going to die cut my sentiment from Tonic Studio alphabet cutting dies using gold mirror card, and all the names of the products will be in the description down below so you can check them out. To get rid of some excess of my glue, as you can see, I'm putting my letters on my hand. I found that is the easiest and the quickest way to adhere all those letters. And in the top right corner, you can also check my other video where I created Diwali cards with the same cutting die set from Card Making Magic. I hope it will inspire you to add some circle in your card making. Now I'm putting my elements together and I'm going to adhere it on 6 by 6 inches card base. And now, what is your favorite card style for christening cards? Please let me know. Here, as you can see, I use 6 by 6 square card base, but maybe you've got a better shape. Please let me know. And to give more dimension on my front panel, I'm using double-sided foam adhesive because it is the best way to give more 3D look. However, maybe you've got a different idea. I would really like to know. And to make it easier for myself, I'm using my pokey tool and I'm peeling off the backing of the tape. Super quick and easy. And as you can see, this card is just so easy and elegant. Have you ever tried that technique in your card making? Now I'm going to die cut some flowers using white card and also some leaves. And these leaves, as you can see, they are pretty big, so I'm going to use my scissors to make them tiny bit smaller. And to put all my flowers together, I'm putting a drop of my magic glue in the middle, and then I'm offsetting the smaller flower. Super quick and easy. And to give it even more dimension, I'm using that dot tool, and you can get it from card making shops because you can use them for flower forming or even the cake decoration. So actually, if you look at Amazon, they are pretty cheap. Now when this is ready, and I'm going to repeat the same process for all the flowers. Have you ever created paper flowers? Or maybe you have created Formiran foam flowers. Which one is your favorite? Please let me know. And I think that 250 GSM card is perfect for these flowers because they can hold the shape pretty well actually. And when you use that dot tool, shaping tool, yes, it is so beautiful and it has so much dimension. And as usual, I'm using my magic glue, one and only glue, to adhere all my flowers to my card. And as I said before, I'm using my scissors to make the leaves a little bit smaller. And this way you can actually stretch all the leaves you created. Because as I said, they are pretty big, and this way you can actually have more leaves at the same time when you die cut all those leaves. Now, have you ever created monochromatic cards? Because that's exactly what we created here. And if you have, what occasion did you use it for? I'm really curious, so please let me know in the comments down below. And I hope this video will inspire you to create monochromatic card or maybe christening card. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Yes, and hit that notification bell because I plan lots of nice tutorials for you to try. Now, to add even more interest to my card, I decided to use some gold gems, and this time, as you can see, I've got a little bit bigger gems than usual, and they are gold. So actually they match our sentiment really well. And to give even more interest to my card, I'm using small gems in the corners, super quick and easy. And to give my beautiful flowers a little bit more sparkle, I'm using clear overlay by Spectrum Noir. And this way we've got that beautiful shine from the flowers and also from that Centura pearl cardstock. As you can see, I missed 2 gems in the top left corner. However, I added the gems later on, and you probably saw the picture at the beginning of the video. So there is plenty of space to write your message inside, and our card is done. What do you think about this? Please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and on the left and on the right you can check my other videos where I created some beautiful cards for different occasions. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting. Please leave the link in the description with your beautiful projects. See you in the next video. Bye!